Welcome to Thumper Fab and the newly designed Polaris General low brow roll cage. Now what that low brow means is this brow up here at the top. We put a nice aggressive look to the front of the General to really match that aggressive stance and nature of the General itself. Check it out. All DOM tubing. Check out those welds. We take pride in our work, guys. Let's take a look on the inside here. And the view with that lowbrow. So you can see we still keep good visibility, good protection up top and around. This is going to be massively stronger than the stock roll cage. We do have it with the available aluminum roof option. Matches the contours and lines of the cage perfectly. This is all laser cut, CNC laser cut, CNC bent. This is precision roll cage forming here. Now for the General. Check it out.